It's a rainy day, so all the chickens are hiding in the indoor or the outdoor coop, the covered coop. I just finished cleaning the coop, both of them, a couple days ago, so I'll take you for a little walkabout. When I clean my chicken coops, what I do is I empty them out and then I scrape it all down with a paint scraper. So it's bare wood. Then I take bleach and water and I bleach all the roosts that they sleep on. I bleach down everything. I fixed up their wallpaper because it was falling down. I still have to finish the rest of it. And I've got the nesting boxes. They really prefer the big tote over anything. The indoor dust bath. I put 2 nesting boxes on one side and 2 nesting boxes on the other. As I am trying to get the 2 flocks to sleep in the one house at night, because it's kind of, it's a lot of work cleaning 2 chicken coops. I have them separated because this flock, I'm not sure of the breed of them, they're just my girls. That flock, see this one? And the black ones, they don't get along very well. And Speckles, she seems to be the kingpin leader. But yeah, so they've been hanging out. I've opened up so that they all run around for about a week now, and they seem to be getting along. The fighting has seemed to stop. But I mean, there's always, you know, they're chickens. But yeah, coops are all clean, chickens are all happy. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. It is a very rainy day here in the Fraser Valley, British Columbia. But it's gorgeous. Have a good day. Bye-bye.